In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Stripe account and access the dashboard based on your setup. Whether you're managing payments, customers, or invoices, this guide ensures you get there quickly and securely. First, open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com/login. You can also go directly to dashboard-stripe.com. These URLs take you straight to the login page where all your account management happens. Once on the page, enter your registered email and password. Make sure this is the email associated with your Stripe account, especially if you have multiple emails. Using the correct combination ensures a smooth login. Stripe prioritizes security, so after entering your credentials, you may need to complete two-factor authentication. This could be a code sent via SMS or generated by an authenticator app. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This step keeps your account safe. If you've set up passkeys for biometric login, you can also use a fingerprint or facial recognition depending on your device. If you haven't yet, consider setting it up for a faster login experience in the future. Once logged in, you will arrive at your Stripe dashboard, the central hub for managing payments, invoices, customers, and more. Take a moment to explore its features. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Here is a tip if you prefer. Stripe also allows you to sign in with Google, provided you've enabled this in your account profile. This can simplify the login process while keeping it secure. And that's it. Now you know how to access your Stripe account quickly and safely. From here, you can manage transactions, explore features, and keep your business running smoothly.